What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews. And if you follow me on social media, if you've been watching my shorts, and I've been putting out a few lately, you have seen this device, but I did not give you a name. Well, today, here we go. We're going to be talking about the MagFlott from Charjen Pro. This is probably the last iPad stand that you'll ever pick up. So let's talk about it. All right, so as mentioned, this is the MagFlott. This is a premium aluminum iPad stand that does a lot of different things. Now, as you can see, it's one whole construct once you put it together, but out of the box is three separate portions. You're gonna get the stand in the middle, you get the base on the bottom, which weighs about a half a pound to a pound, and then you get the top portion, which you connect all these together, and voila, you make this stand. Now, the full aluminum construct is going to give it super stability when you are doing things such as changing that angle, because you do have a bunch of different angles. Now, let's just talk about a few of the specs for this device. Now, on this, you're going to get a magnetic multi-hinge slate. It has strong built-in magnets that are right on the back of this microfiber lining. It has the super soft microfiber lining, like it's supple, smooth. You're not gonna hurt your device once you put it on there. It has a 360-degree rotation, so if you want to show somebody what you're doing that's sitting behind you, feel free to turn it all the way to the back and they're good to go. And it also supports a 180-degree tilt. So that thing is gonna give you like to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, however you want it. Portrait mode, landscape mode, you are good to go with this device. Now, one thing that I really like about the concept of this is they've been working on this thing for a few years now, and I think this is probably one of the best renditions of an iPad stand out there. I mean, the way that it moves, it tilts, it flexes, it does everything that you would need to do. And this thing is really good if you want to, let's say you want to use it for gaming mode. Now, whether you want to stand up in game or you want to sit down in game, no matter what angle that you are at, you are going to be able to get really crisp picture. You're going to be able to look at it really comfortably, and you're going to be able to enjoy every viewing angle that this thing has to offer. It also comes with a 6-foot braided nylon cable. Now, I really like my nylon cables, and this one is no slouch. And they put an extra little oomph right onto this one. If you notice, it has a little wider gape at the bottom so that it actually encompasses the whole iPad as well as the stand. And you can charge your iPad however you would like. Put the cable up under there, back behind. No matter what you do, this cable is going to work. And remember, it's 6 feet, so you can run it pretty much from any iPad to under any desk. There are QR codes everywhere. They're on the stand, they're on the bottom of the box, but this code is going to get you a 15-month warranty. If anything tears up, breaks, go ahead and contact them. They're going to reach out to you. They're going to take care of everything that you need. Also, you get fast 1-day support. Now, they respond pretty quick, and I've actually sent them a message on Instagram and I got it back within like 6 hours. So you get that 1-day support. They got really good customer service. Go by and check them out. I'm going to be sure and drop a link below. So hopefully this will be able to help someone out. Now, I love my iPad. This thing goes everywhere that I go. But if you have a desktop setup with your iPad, and like I have a whole desktop setup right here, if you got that type of setup, I think this is something really nice for you to have, especially if you don't have a Magic Keyboard. Now, I'm not talking to the people that have the Magic Keyboard, but if you have a Magic Keyboard and you're just looking to change it up and kind of be able to push that iPad back, sit back in your chair, get a few different standing angles, things of that nature, go by and check this one out. I think it will really help you out. I know it has freed me up some. I'm able to be a little bit more productive just because I love my Keychron keyboards, and they allow you to have a full array of travel. The Magic Keyboard is really great. It's great. Don't get me wrong. But the bigger keyboard for the bigger hand, and I like the clickety clack. I mean, that's really it. I like the clicking and clacking of the Keychron keyboards, the mechanical keyboards. And the Magic Mouse comes in handy. It works really well. There are no issues. So whether you're being productive, whether you're just sitting back gaming, or whether you just want to enjoy some entertainment, the MagFlott from Charjen Pro is probably a great thing for you to check out. Even if you don't like it, just go by and check it out. I think this is going to be worth the money. Until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Be sure and give me that big thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.